everyone, welcome back to Zero Touch Cyber. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of cybersecurity, endpoint security. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their digital life safe, understanding endpoint security is more important than ever. So let's jump right in. Endpoint security refers to the protection of individual devices or endpoints such as computers, laptops, smartphones, and other connected devices. Think of it as the frontline defense for your digital world. Why is it so crucial? Well, these endpoints are often the target of cyber threats, making them the gateway to your personal and sensitive information. Now, let's talk about some common threats that endpoint security protects us from. Malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, they often target our devices. With the rise of remote work and the increasing number of connected devices, the attack surface has expanded, making robust endpoint security more important than ever. Endpoint security involves several key components. Antivirus software, firewalls, and intrusion prevention systems work together to detect and block malicious activities. Regular software updates are essential to patch vulnerabilities, and the use of multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of defense against unauthorized access. Now let's discuss some best practices to enhance your endpoint security. First and foremost, keep your software up to date. Updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities. Use reputable antivirus software and enable firewalls on your devices. Remember to create strong, unique passwords and consider using multi-factor authentication whenever possible. And there you have it, a quick dive into the world of endpoint security. Remember, it's not just about protecting your devices, it's about safeguarding your digital life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.